Did you know this tiny STM microelectronic board can run powerful embedded projects with just a few lines of code? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get started with STM32 by making the built-in LED blink. The first step into the world of microcontrollers. If you are a beginner and want to learn programming, electronics or embedded system, this is the perfect place to start. So let's upload our first code and bring this board to life. This is the STM32F103C8T6, one of the most popular beginner-friendly microcontroller boards from ST Microelectronics. It is provided by a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M3 processor running up to 72 MHz, which makes it faster and more powerful than many basic 8-bit boards. It comes with multiple GPIO pins, analog inputs, PWM outputs, communication protocols like UART, SPI and I2C, making it perfect for sensors, display, motor and IoT projects. Because of its low cost, high performance and huge community support, the STM32F103 is a great choice for beginners who want to step into professional embedded system development. And this is the ST-Link, an official programmer and debugger used for STM32 boards. It is used to upload code directly to the microcontroller and also helps in debugging programs in real time. Using the SWD interface, the ST-Link provides a fast and reliable connection between your computer and the STM32 board. It is one of the easiest and most recommended tools for programming STM32 microcontrollers, especially for beginners and developers working with ST Microelectronics boards. Now we need to download STM32 Cube IDE. Simply go to the official ST Microelectronics websites, open the STM32 Cube IDE download page and choose the version you want. For this tutorial, I select version 1.16 because it is simple, stable and easy to use for beginners. After selecting the version, just click the download button. Next, accept the license agreement and click on Create My ST account. Enter the required details, check the I accept option and complete the registration process. After that, an email will be sent to your registered email address. Open the email, set your password and activate your account. Once your account is ready, log in to ST Microelectronics website again, and then you will be able to download STM32 Cube IDE easily. Now open the downloaded zip folder and run the STM32 Cube IDE setup file. Follow the installation steps and click Next where required. The installation may take few minutes depending on your system speed, so just wait while all components are being installed. Once the process is finished, STM32 Cube IDE is successfully installed and ready to use. Now it's time to connect the ST-Link with the STM32F103C8T6. Use the SWD connection by wiring 3.3 volt to 3.3 volt, ground to ground, SW clock to clock, and SW DIO to DIO. Make sure all connections are secure before plugging the ST-Link into your computer. Now plug the ST-Link into your laptop. Open STM32 Cube IDE. Once it launches, click on File. Then choose New and select STM32 project. After selecting the STM32 project, the software will begin initializing the target and loading the required device files. Now in STM32Cube IDE, enter the commercial part number as STM32F103C8T6. This tells the software exactly which microcontroller you are using. After entering it, Cube IDE will automatically detect the correct device configuration for the STM32F103C8T6 and load all required settings for your project. Now enter your project name in STM32Cube IDE and click Finish. After that, the IDE will start generating all the project files automatically. It may take a few seconds while it sets up the folders, libraries and configuration for your STM32F103. Go to System Core Sys. Then in Debug option, select Serial Wire. Click on pin 13 and set it as a GPIO output. This pin is connected to the onboard LED on the STM32F103. After that, click Save. The IDE will automatically start updating and generating the device configuration code for your project. So everything is properly set for the LED blinking program. Now in while, write the following code to blink the LED, then run the code. Now it's time to run the program inside STM32Cube IDE. Click on Run. Edit configuration and configuration window will open. Go to the Debugger tab. In Debug Probe, select ST-Link Open OCD, which is used to communicate with the ST-Link. Then enable the Show Generator options. Under Reset mode, select Software System Reset. Finally, click Apply. This ensures the debugger is properly configured to flush and run code on the STM32F103. If you get the error, could not verify ST device, don't worry, it usually means the driver or programming tool is missing. To fix it, download and install the STM32Cube programmer from the official ST Microelectronics website. After downloading, open the installer and simply click Next, Finish to complete the installation. Now open the STM32Cube programmer. Click the Connect button. Once you do that, your ST-Link will successfully connect to the STM32F103. Next, click Open File. Then go to your project directory. Open the debug folder and select the .elf file of your project. After selecting it, click Download. The code will now be flushed into the STM32 microcontroller and your program is successfully uploaded. And now you can see the LED successfully blinking on the STM32F103. This means your first project using STM32Cube IDE and STM32Cube programmer is working perfectly. You have successfully learned how to set up, configure and upload code using ST-Link. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner-friendly STM32 tutorials. In the next video, we will explore sensors and real-world projects using STM32. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.